So I'm running a website which you can see over my screen. Now let's say a visitor visits through my website and have some queries. Then I'm going to provide them something that will resolve their queries instantly. So right here you can see this WhatsApp icon which I'm going to select, and here you can see that we are getting the preview of our AI assistant. So as my user will select the start chat, they will be landed to my WhatsApp, where you can see that my visitor is landed to the WhatsApp where they are going to get the answer of all their queries. And here you can see this initial message from the user's side. So that's what we are going to build today. So now let me show you how this AI assistant is going to respond to all the queries of my customers which I'm receiving through the website I'm running. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is, I need help, and my AI assistant will instantly respond to the customer queries according to the business I'm running. And here you can see that I'm running a business of travel agency named as Wanderly. And here you can see that in my WhatsApp, I'm successfully receiving this message which says, "Sure, I can help. What do you need assistance with from Wanderly Travels?" And now here I'm going to enter a random question and we will see whether we are getting the answer of that question or not. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, can you create a customized travel package? Now let's wait for the response of my AI assistant. And right here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question. Now let's enter another question to see whether we are getting the answer or not. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, do your packages include flights? Now let's wait for the response. And here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question. And now you might be wondering how I'm getting these responses according to the business I'm running. So it is doing so because I have provided it the knowledge base. So this AI assistant can be trained using your own business knowledge base. So it is going to respond according to your business information instead of relying only on general AI knowledge. So this knowledge base is basically going to act as the brain for your AI assistant. And now let me show you how you can also create this AI assistant for whatever business you are running, and you can insert this AI assistant to your website, by using which your customers can automatically move to the WhatsApp and can get the answer of their queries instantly. So now you can also create this AI assistant for whatever business you are running by just using one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Chatflow. And for creating this AI assistant, you don't require any coding or technical skills. So now let's go through the process of creating this AI assistant, which I have already created. So right here you can see that I'm on the AI assistant page on the Pabbly Chatflow. So for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you have to type the URL of Pabbly Chatflow, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly. And here we are getting two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you have to sign up for free, and Pabbly Chatflow will help you to automate the entire conversation between you and your customers within the WhatsApp. And by using this application, you can broadcast WhatsApp campaigns, can create WhatsApp chatbot, which is going to make you free from manual conversations with your customers. And if you are an existing user, then you just have to sign in. And Pabbly Chatflow is currently offering you the free trial, so you can create and try this AI assistant for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. And after trying it, if you like this AI assistant and want to buy our amazing application, that is Pabbly Chatflow, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen, you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is applicable for yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly for whatever application you want to purchase. And now let's move on towards the AI assistant page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And right here we are on this tab, that is AI instructions, where I have selected my instruction type as AI agent. And right here we are getting all these instructions which you can modify according to you. And from here you can set the temperature, which basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. And here I have selected the AI to use, that is OpenAI, and the model of my OpenAI, that is going to be GPT 5.2. And here you have to enter the API key, which you can get through this OpenAI API's key page given over the help text. And after building the connection, your OpenAI is going to respond to your customer queries. And from here, you can manage some of your AI assistant settings. And in this next step, that is knowledge source, you have to provide the knowledge base, basically the brain to our AI assistant. So here I have uploaded the knowledge base of my business named as Wanderly Travels, which consists all my business details. And according to it, my AI assistant is going to respond to my customers. And here we are on this next tab, that is assistant interface, where I have provided the header display heading name, which can be seen on the preview of your AI assistant. And here you can see this is the subheading name which I have provided. And here I have entered this initial message, which will be shown on the preview of the AI assistant over my website once I will embed this AI assistant to my website. And from here, you can select the display the powered by Pabbly label, whether you want to enable or disable it. And here you can provide the footer text, footer link, and this is the user's first message, which will be sent to WhatsApp from the user's side. And from this styling tab, you can customize the visual appearance of our AI assistant by selecting theme mode, assistant shape, and from here you can even change the coloring of many properties of your AI assistant. And afterwards, you just have to enable this AI assistant and simply click over the Save AI Assistant button for saving it. And now the most important part of this video, that is embedding AI assistant to your website you are running. So for that, you just have to click over this embed button, and here we are getting this script code, which you can paste over the code of your website you are running. So I'm going to copy this code, and now I'm going to add this AI assistant to my website named as Wanderly Travels. And here you can see that right now I don't have any AI assistant. Now let's move on towards the code of my this website and add the script code. And right here I'm on the code of my website where I have to add the script code in the JavaScript section. So here I'm going to add this code over here. So now let's add it. And now let's save it over the code. So with this, we have successfully added the AI assistant to our website. And now let's move on towards my website and see the changes. So right here we are on my website, where as I will refresh it, you will see the changes. And right here you can see that we are getting our AI assistant embedded in our website. And as my user will select the start chat, they will be landed to the WhatsApp. And here you can see that I'm successfully landed to the WhatsApp, where I can send WhatsApp messages to this test number, which is going to respond to all my customer queries. So now you have seen that how easy this is to create an AI assistant and embed it to your website. So now you don't have to create any other environment for resolving the queries of your customers, because with few simple steps, you can add this AI assistant to whatever website you are running, and according to your business details, this AI assistant will respond to your customer queries. So now, what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow and automate the entire conversations with your customers. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT, which will provide you the huge discount. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.